Hello Sleekbill users, welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to change labels and columns in credit notes using Sleekbill. Open your browser and visit www.sleekbill.in. Click on the login button available at the top right corner of the website. Enter your registered email ID and password, then click on the sign in button. After successful login, you will reach the Sleekbill dashboard. From the left side menu, click on Preferences. Under the Documents section, click on Credit Note. Now click on the Labels and Columns tab. This section allows you to customize various labels and columns that appear on your credit notes. You can change the credit note title according to your business terminology. You can also modify the terms label. You can rename it to Invoice Ref Number. You can easily change invoice number to match your business requirements. Sleekbill provides Custom Field 1 and Custom Field 2 for additional information. After making all the required changes, click on the Save button. That's it.
The first field is Credit Note Title. This is the main heading displayed at the top of your credit note document. By default, it appears as Credit Note, but you can change it to terms such as Credit Memo, Refund Note, Adjustment Note, Return Note. The invoice number label is used to reference the original invoice against which the credit note is being issued. This helps maintain proper accounting records and provides a clear audit trail. You can customize this label to Invoice Number Original, Invoice Number, Reference Invoice, the custom field. One option provides additional flexibility. Businesses can use this field to store information that is important to their workflow. Common examples include Contact Person Return, Reason Customer Reference Approval Number. Like Custom Field 1, it can be configured to display any additional information required by your business. Some common uses are Remarks Internal Notes, Authorized by Department Name, Service Period, Additional Comments. Next is the Terms label. This section contains important information related to refunds, returns, adjustments, or credit policies. For example, Terms and Conditions, Refund Policy, Return Policy, Credit Terms. Important notes. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with others in need. For more videos like this, click the bell icon and subscribe.